Yeah, welcome back to another video, viewers and subscribers. I'm Adrian, aka Banks, and today we're in at the farm back again, and we just done finish do some work. I did a clean up piece of land to plant some vegetable crop like eggplant, broccoli, tomato, and them things. So right now it's about lunchtime, and the plan right now is to look about lunch. Yeah, get some lunch ready. So right now what I have in mind is to pick a one breadfruit, roast it, and I have some ackee on the tree. I go get some ackee and put it with the breadfruit, and I have I can remember I have a piece of saltfish. So a roast breadfruit and ackee and saltfish for lunch today. So I want to check it out, yeah, because you don't know if my kind of style of cooking. Rasta dey on a break, so we just give him time make him get him break. I don't know, I'm probably tired or something. Not really, as I said before, I don't really question him when I do him thing. My father rate him same way, you don't know. But I just try some freestyle something by myself. So yeah, who want to check out the video. So yeah, go and watch and see how it right here and see how we do it. Right here, so we have a breadfruit tree. Yeah, breadfruit tree right over there. So I go pick a one breadfruit off of it, and then I go back by the yard, and get the fire started and get the ackee ready and season and such. Get everything prepared. So want to keep on watching and check you out, viewers and subscribers. You don't know. To all those who don't subscribe as yet, you can subscribe and give support. Not to cost much or not cost nothing. It won't cost anything to give support. So click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, so whenever we post a video you can get the update on that. Yeah, leave a like and leave a comment, give a little support, viewers and subscribers. So a roast breadfruit and ackee and saltfish today. You don't know. On the farm with it and a farm style. So check it out, viewers and subscribers. Bless. Yeah, people. So right now they are the breadfruit tree, and we are check it out. I think I see a one breadfruit on it. Can't remember, but yeah, I think I see a one breadfruit on it. I don't know. Probably it gone. But we still a check it. Yeah, viewers. So we go up in the tree and climb the tree and get two of them. Get two nice one. You don't look for bad. You can roast. Yeah man. So I go back up by the yard now and I take out the heart of it, the middle right here, so them thing here, and then I go put them for roast. Yeah, start the fire and put them for roast. So keep watching and see how it go. Alright viewers, so we reach back up at the yard right now, and right about now we will get the breadfruit them on the fire. See, as you can see right there, so I already get the fire started. Yeah, so the fire blaze already. Right now we are going to dig out the breadfruit out them and get the breadfruit them ready. Yeah viewers, so roast breadfruit and ackee and saltfish today. So I'll go ahead, get the breadfruit out them out and get the breadfruit them ready to go up on the fire. Some nice yellow heart breadfruit, viewers. Very nice yellow heart breadfruit. Yeah viewers. So we take out the heart. We put a little cross right there, so cause we not deal with X. Right? Yeah. So we'll get the breadfruit them ready. Go up on the fire. Yeah. One right there, so. One right there, so. Right. Yeah viewers, so. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the breadfruit them on the fire, because the fire just about ready. See? Yeah viewers, the fire blaze, so I'll put the breadfruit them on it now. Let them go and roast. Yeah. Right. So them the breadfruit them I go take about 1/2 hour for roast. I take about 1/2 hour for roast. So I'll give them some time and go and turn them. And go and turn them so they roast evenly right throughout and all corners. So meanwhile the breadfruit them are roast. I'll go get the ackee and the saltfish prepare. Yeah. So right over here, so we have the my ackee. And my ackee right here, so viewers. Yesterday I did climb the ackee tree. Climb the ackee tree yesterday and get some ackee. I put them on the fridge so them stay, you know, them stay fresh. So I have my ackee right here, so I have my garlic, onion, and my tomato, and my saltfish. The saltfish, the viewers and subscribers. Yeah. So ackee and saltfish settings today, my people. So go and watch how I go on and see how we do it. How I do it. You know, my style. My style of cooking this, viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, natural same way. So right now I go clean out to get the ackee them clean. I go clean out the ackee them. Get the ackee them clean out. Put them in the plate here. I go take off the head of them ackee, the head. So this one get rid of. The head of the ackee, the black part. So them part here have to come out. Yeah, I'm showing how we do it. Put the camera. See me can set up the camera right here. So hold on. Yeah. Yeah, viewers, you know, so well, I think that can work. Yeah, viewers, so this is how you clean up the ackee. I go cut out the middle right here, so yeah, clean out the inside part. Do the other ones the same. Cut off, you know, cut off the black part and clean out the gut part. Anything inside, like them thing here, I clean them out. And we are going to do the other ones like the same, just like that one. Yeah, so we are going to do all of them the same. So we are prepare the ackee and then get the saltfish boil. Yeah. I think this is going to take no time, viewers. I'll probably just skip out some of it. You know? Skip out some of it. And then we fast forward to the saltfish. Right? So, yeah, but you get a general idea how to clean up the ackee and such. Right? Take out that black part and take out that inside part right there. So you don't want that those on the ackee. This is what we are going to use. This part, the yellow part. Yeah. So that's it. We are right now I'll get these going, you know, clean them out, and meanwhile the breadfruit are roast. So, you know, stay tuned and keep on watching, viewers. Turning them. That's the fire still under them. But you know them look good same way. Yeah. Think them one here go well nice. So them almost ready. And right about now, we finish with ackee too. Finish clean up the ackee. The ackee them here. So we clean up all of them. And finish all of them. So them ready for boil now and go up on the fire. I have the saltfish over here, so I'll go get the saltfish ready. I'll wash off the salt off of the saltfish. Cause you know, we don't want the saltfish too salty. So I'll go wash off the salt off of it. Wash off some of the salt off of it. Get rid of the salt. No want too much salt in it, enough yours. Cause you know when the salt can't breathe. So I go wash off some of it and get it ready for the pot. So I go give my breadfruit them a last turn. This is my spoon I'm use and turn it. Give them here a last turn. And then wash off the saltfish. Get it ready for the fire. Same place, well I same place for the fire here, so I go do the saltfish. And do the ackee too. So that one here is already viewers. That one here need a little bit more roasting. That one here. That one here I want some more roasting. But that one here ready. One there can peel. So I go ahead and wash off the saltfish. Wash off the saltfish. The saltfish here. I'm gonna go around at the pipe. Wash it off. I give it a good rinse. You know, so all of the salt then can come out. Don't want too much of the salt in it, viewers. Get rid of the salt. Salt will give you pressure. Too much salt no good for you. So wash off that. Rinse out back the pot. And we are going to boil the saltfish in another pot here. Another pot here, the saltfish are going to boil. So I just get some water in it. No it go. So just about that we do it. Turn off what the pipe. Yeah. So we have a saltfish in the pot, viewers. So this ready to go on the fire. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the ackee to this. I'm going to add the ackee to this and make the two of them boil together. So I'm not really have to use no salt in the ackee. You understand? Yeah, so when it start boil up, I add the ackee to it. Alright here, so viewers, I find two plantain. So I go fry two plantain with it. So roast breadfruit, ackee and saltfish, fry ripe plantain. Yeah, so I just go fry them two plantain here with it. No, cause them ripe, I don't want them to go, you know. So I just fry them with it. So change up the style a little bit. Ackee and saltfish and roast breadfruit. Yeah, so I put them there so for now. And check back on the breadfruit. Almost ready. So I just go ahead. And put the saltfish for go and boil. I just put the saltfish to go and boil, viewers. Cause you know, wood fire, so it's gonna take a time. So I put that for go and boil. Yeah, you can stay right side of the breadfruit and do it thing. Yeah, viewers. So I'm gonna make that go and the saltfish go and boil. I have to wait till the pot start boil up to put the ackee in it. So I make that go and stay there so and make it boil up. push up the fire to get some more heat. Now it go. Country style. Yeah. So I make that go and boil, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, viewers, so right now we have the saltfish pot. The saltfish pot are boil up. So I go ahead and put the ackee in it. You know where it go? The ackee here. So I'll go ahead, add the ackee to it. Yeah, so I'll make the ackee go and the ackee and the saltfish go and boil together. Yeah man, so that's how we do it in Jamaica. Yeah man, we boil the ackee and the saltfish together. Not the same pot. Yeah viewers. So I'll make that go and boil. In a few, I go fry the two ripe plantain we find. You know where it go. So stay tuned and go and watch, viewers and subscribers. And remember, all those who don't subscribe as yet, you know, you can click the notification bell and click the subscribe button, you know, and subscribe. And leave a like and comment. You know where it go. Roast breadfruit and ackee and saltfish with ripe plantain, fried ripe plantain. So I'll make this go and boil. And the breadfruit them just about ready to. The breadfruit them just about ready. So I make this go and boil. The ackee and the saltfish go and boil together. So meanwhile them there go and boil. I go get the season them together. I get the season them going. Then so I go cut up the onion, the garlic and the tomato. And I go use some other natural herb. You know, peppermint, rosemary, French thyme, and them little thing there. So you know you go. Go and watch for my other viewers and subscribers. Yeah. Meanwhile, the ackee and the saltfish are boil. I will get the season ready. Go ahead and get the season ready. Check if this. Alright, so yeah, that's supposed to alright. So I go start with the onion. Now we use onion. Now we everyday cooking. Without the natural seasoning. But now I got taste right. So we have to use up the natural seasoning. Yeah. So we have onion. We use about 5 garlic. 5 of them garlic. Yeah. Crush them. Crush them. Then we cut them up. I have to take off the outside part here. Now we go already. Yeah, viewers, so today I roast breadfruit and ackee and saltfish. Or ackee and saltfish and roast breadfruit, whichever way you want to put it, viewers. I have the saltfish and the ackee pot over there, so I go and boil. I go and cook. But the ackee them I cook. So I prepare the natural seasoning. Yeah. Right here, so. I have my tomato. Take out that. Get that ready. And I'll go ahead and grab some natural seasoning. So I'll go ahead and grab some natural seasoning. I'm going to use You know, I lose one little piece of peppermint, little some rosemary. The natural seasoning are essential, you know, people. Good for your body. Whole heap of vitamin and such. I'm gonna use French piece of French thyme. I like use French thyme, people. I like the flavor where it give. Yeah, give a good flavor to the pot. So yeah, French thyme, rosemary, and some peppermint. So we're gonna use them here. Uh, them here how we're using at the pot. Yeah, viewers. So finish cut up the seasoning now. I'll go ahead and take off the ackee and the saltfish. So I managed to take off the ackee pot and the saltfish. So it look here, viewers and subscribers. This is how it look. And right now we put back the pot on the fire. Yeah. Put back the pot on the fire. Cause we're gonna fry the plantain now. Yeah, let me take off this up. Yeah, so I'm gonna fry the plantain in that pot. Back in the same pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the oil to it because you know the pot is hot. So today we are use the great miracle coconut oil. Yeah, nothing but coconut oil. Simply the best. Always the best oil for use, viewers and subscribers. Vegetable oil, no good. Yeah, so I'll go ahead, add some coconut oil to that. Yeah, so I put the plant them, I fry the plant them. And then we cook up the ackee and the saltfish. Right here, so we have a natural seasoning. So I go ahead and peel my plantain them. Yeah. Peel the plant them. Fry it. So I show you how I'm do it. Yeah, so I go ahead and dice up the plantain them. Cut them in some thin slice. So I just I gotta do one viewers and subscribers because I think I can manage the two. Just I gotta do one and done. Yeah, so I'm gonna put them here in the oil. Put them in the oil for fry. Oil well hot viewers. Yeah, so plant them a fry and all viewers and subscribers. So I'm gonna make them brown before I turn them. Yeah viewers, so I'm gonna turn them brown on one side already. So I'm turning them. Turning them at the other side brown. So this is ripe plantain. So I'm having ripe plantain, roast breadfruit and ackee and saltfish today. So yeah, this is the style, Jamaican style. Yeah, so I left that and make them go on brown. Right over here, so we have a season tomato onion, rosemary, peppermint and French thyme. And right here so we have the saltfish and the ackee. Yeah. So I go ahead and clean up the saltfish because it's supposed to clean up, you know. Boil already so it's supposed to clean up. You know, take off the scale them and the other things them have to come off. And take out the bone them. So I will go ahead and do that. Yeah, and after make you see how we cook up the ackee and the saltfish together. So I go ahead and do that now. Yeah viewers, so right now we have the right plant in here so finish right now. Yeah, this is how it look when it finish. So I go ahead and cook up the saltfish and the ackee right now. So we have the pot over here so same way upon the fire. Well hot same way. You know well hot same way steaming. So we go ahead and add the season them to it. Yeah, we just add everything to it one time. Give it a little stir. Now it go. Yeah, the pot I rock viewer. Yeah, so the season gone in at the pot already, viewers and subscribers. We are going to know we are add the ackee and the saltfish in here now. See the saltfish and the ackee over here so. And as you can see, I break up the saltfish in some little bite sizes. Yeah. Break it up in some little bite sizes. So I go ahead and add the ackee and the saltfish to the pot right now. Yeah viewers. So the saltfish and the ackee gone in. Well, I'll give it a little stir. Stir it up so the saltfish and the season them go through it evenly. Yeah. So I'll give that about 2 minutes or so. Cause you know it not take long. Don't really take long for cook. Yeah. Yeah viewers. Over here so. Over here so we have a breadfruit them. I peel them in a few and get them ready. You know. The presentation. So yeah. That's it. That is it viewers and subscribers. Yeah man. So we just there on the farm still, you know, lunchtime. And we have ackee and saltfish and roast breadfruit with fried ripe plantain. You know it go viewers and subscribers. Check it. So over here so right here so I have some crushed pimento, crushed dry pimento. I'm gonna put some of this in it. Yeah. So instead of black pepper, if you have crushed grind pimento, you can put it in your ackee and saltfish instead of the black pepper. Because the black pepper, you know, we see it more unhealthy to use. Yeah, so I'll give this a little stir, viewers. And then I will take it off because it's just about ready. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, that ready now. So I'll go ahead. I'll go ahead and take it off now, viewers and subscribers. Peel the breadfruit and show now what I go on. Viewers, so right now, I'll go ahead and peel under the breadfruit. I'll go ahead and peel under the breadfruit right now. So, and get the lunch ready. So, I'm going to peel that one here. Go peel that one here. So, I'll peel the breadfruit now, viewers and subscribers. Put the lunch together. Make you see what I go on. Yeah, and this is how you peel a roast breadfruit. To all those who don't know. Yeah, man. You don't know a natural style and a natural life to say. To live longer and more healthier. Yeah, man. So I use a banana leaf with the dish towel. Natural style. Yeah, viewers. So, I will put that right there, so. And cut it up, slice it up. I rinse off my hand them and thing. Get rid of the black part. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, so this is it right here. The roast breadfruit and the fried ripe plantain. Yeah. So roast breadfruit and the fried ripe and the fried ripe plantain ready. And over here, so we have ackee and saltfish. Yeah. Ackee and saltfish right here, so looking good, viewers and subscribers. Didn't do a bad job at all. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and add we ackee and saltfish to the breadfruit, roast breadfruit and the fried ripe plantain. You know, put it together, make it look nice. Yeah. Yeah, viewers, today's lunch is very nice. Going to enjoy this one very much. Yeah, me eat nothing of viewers and subscribers, so I have to load the plate. Yeah. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So this is the ackee and saltfish and roast breadfruit. My style, the Jamaican style. Ackee and saltfish, roast breadfruit, and fried ripe plantain for lunch. Yeah, this is it, viewers and subscribers. So right now we'll go ahead and give it a taste test. Right now we can't cook the food and we don't give it a taste test, right? Yeah, so I'll go like this now. I'll get a piece of the breadfruit. Yeah. And we're going to put some of the ackee and the saltfish on it. Yeah. Put some of the ackee and the saltfish on it. Yeah, viewers. So right now, I'll give this a taste test. I'm gonna see how it goes. Yeah, man. I ate this. Yeah, viewers, I ate this. Ackee and saltfish and roast breadfruit and fried ripe plantain. I'm gonna taste the fried ripe plantain in a few and make you know it goes still. But I just try the ackee and saltfish and roast breadfruit first. Yeah, man. Yeah, viewers. This is it, viewers. Very nice. Telling you. You can taste the smokiness in the breadfruit, and also in the ackee and saltfish, because, wood fire will cook it one. Yeah. So you can taste the smokiness and all the natural herbs, the rosemary, the peppermint and everything. The garlic and onion coming together very nice in this. Yeah, I love this very much. Mm-hmm. Yeah, viewers, this one is good. I love this one. Yeah. So I'm go ahead, taste the ripe plantain. This is the fried ripe plantain. Yeah, man. Yeah, viewers, sweet and nice. I love this one, viewers and subscribers. I love this one very much. Look at it. Yeah. Viewers, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. You know it go. Ackee and saltfish, and roast breadfruit, fried ripe plantain. Yeah, Jamaican style. Yeah, man. You don't know it go. So, where I touch out now, and it go. May see you in our next video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna finish this off right now, and go hold a little rest, and probably go out on the road, go hold a little chill. So no it go. Peace out. Yeah, man. We're gonna mash up and finish off the roast breadfruit and ackee and saltfish now. Yeah. So I'll check you guys the next time. See you in the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. You know it go. If you don't like the video. Peace.